Hello, and welcome to this portatour video tutorial all about configuring your most important settings in the options. To get to the options, click the navigation menu and select Options. The first thing you want to do is to define your home location. Enter the address where you start and end your working day. Click Geocode, and then click Save. That's it. The next step is to configure your working hours. The start time is when you leave home, and the end time is when you get back in the evening. As you can see, your organization already has set defaults. Just click Custom Settings and change the hours as necessary. Let's say that on Thursdays and Fridays, you need to start and finish earlier, so you'll begin at 7 a.m. and end at 3 p.m. Then, just click Save. The work break is basically your lunch hour. Once again, we see that there are already organizational defaults. When you click Custom Settings, you have the option of making changes to suit your particular rhythm. Let's say you don't really mind when you eat, so expand the range when portatour can schedule the break. This has the added advantage of giving portatour greater leeway in optimizing your routes. You also have the option of not scheduling any break at all by selecting Don't Schedule right here. Let's schedule it though, and leave the duration at 30 minutes since you eat rather quickly. Then just click Save. portatour bases its route planning on historical speed data, which are collected by navigation systems and mobile phone providers by measuring the movement of data of millions of drivers. If, however, you realize during your daily use of portatour that you end up regularly deviating from scheduled travel times, you can select driving speed and define your relative deviation from the historical speed data for the following street types: city road, country road, and highway, in accordance with your personal driving style. Just click Custom Settings and change the values. For example, if you frequently suffer from rush hour traffic, set the driving speed for city roads to something like 30% slower. Click Save to apply the changes. As elsewhere, Use Default resets the speed profile to the portatour default values. The program settings allow you to set how data is displayed in portatour, as well as to activate the offline mode and to select a turn-by-turn navigation system. For your turn-by-turn navigation, you have a number of options. Automatic takes the default app on your mobile device for GPS navigation. Alternatively, you can select from any one of these providers as long as they are installed on your device. Of great importance is the ability to continue using portatour when you lose your mobile internet connection. portatour actually lets you work through your customer list while offline. Under the internet connection, just select Refresh Offline Data. That's it. Now you can work offline. Click Save to keep the changes made. Thank you for watching. We wish you a productive day on optimized routes.